back at the Heritage Square historical homes, and this is really cool because we're delivering the shutters and installing them on the oval ballroom. So you might have remembered the other video we had where we've just been privileged to work on some of the exterior units and made some new signs for these historic homes in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And this is the Heritage Square oval ballroom, and we're going to be putting up the shutters all the way around and then also putting the signs on.